Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone, are you ready to unlock the secret to truly delicious red beans? This humble dish, so rich in flavor and tradition, is surprisingly easy to make at home. It's a wonderful, hearty meal that's also incredibly kind to your wallet. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps, ensuring your red beans turn out perfect every single time. Let's dive in. Before we start cooking, let's gather our core ingredients. First, you'll need about 1 pound of dried red beans. Remember to soak them, either overnight or using the quick soak method. This helps them cook evenly. Then, we'll need our aromatic trinity, a medium onion, a bell pepper, and a few stalks of celery, all finely chopped. Finally, have some minced garlic, a good quality broth, and your preferred seasonings ready. Now for the heartwarming start of our dish. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, heat a little oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, bell pepper, and celery, those wonderful aromatics, and sauté them gently. Cook until they're soft and translucent, about 8 minutes. In the last minute, stir in your minced garlic until it becomes fragrant. This step truly builds the foundation of our flavor. Once your aromatics are ready, add the soaked beans to the pot. Pour in enough broth or water to cover the beans by at least 2 inches. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover your pot and let it cook patiently for anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. The beans are done when they are wonderfully tender and creamy, easily mashable with a spoon. Now for the best part, tasting and serving. Once your beans are perfectly tender and creamy, it's time to adjust the seasoning. Add salt, black pepper, and any other spices you love, like a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. Serve these delicious, hearty red beans warm over a bed of fluffy white rice. It's a simple, comforting classic that truly satisfies. Enjoy your amazing homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.